To install the app from the Play Store, open the Play Store app, use the search function to look for CoreJS, and tap Install to start the process. Once installed, open the app to access the login page. Use the same credentials you use for the Jarek portal, or log in with Microsoft Entra if it's linked to the portal. After logging in, choose your desired license and then select the database. Click Configure to start syncing data from the desktop application. If you're not logged in with Microsoft Entra, you'll need to enter your Microsoft credentials to begin the sync. During the sync process, you'll be prompted to select the scope and division at various points. The initial sync process may take a few minutes. Once the sync is complete, you can start using the app to manage your projects.